All right. I'm gonna the car right here, my boy. Looking good.
Would you ever, like I said, switch it up, bro? Get some yellow and white.
Yellow would be hard. Yellow and blue is the spoon look, which would be hard. Spoon, old school,
Hey, my man.
Huh?
Little update for the videos that you have not posted in so long.
Yeah.
So, what's happened ever since the last video?
Which video?
I'll tell you what.
I can't remember what video it
fell
was.
off before he even came on, bro.
Yo.
Hey, yeah.
Calm down, bro. Calm
Yo.
down.
All right, so for a fact, transmission was replaced.
Yeah.
So,
Train's been replaced.
how do you feel about it?
Well, I feel fucking amazing. I'll tell you that. I feel amazing. The whole car, I can actually feel this car, and it's, oh my god, it's amazing. It's truly amazing. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it.
But we also have a con about it. The wheel.
Oh.
So,
Yeah, man. Getting it back from Honda, and then they chew up my shit. Bro, they looked so confused when I was there. They were like, "Whoa, what's going on? Like, what? Why are you back?" And I was like, "Well, I brought you guys the car, and my wheels were fucking perfect, bro. Like, they were literally perfect."
and now,
I'm leaving, and I finally washed my car up, and I look at my wheel, and I'm like, "Wait a second, these chunks weren't taken out before, bro. What the fuck?" Like, so yeah, I drove my ass back there. And I was like, "Yo, what's up?" And then they were like, "Well, we gotta get our managers involved. They're not gonna be back till Tuesday, and we'll review all the footage." I'm like, "All right, well, you guys got my number, cause like, my shits were perfect, bro. I just got these wheels, over $2,000, bro, and one of them's fucking chewed up. That ain't it.
that's a nay.
That ain't it, man.
So with that lip, bro, we see new lip paint match already.
Yeah, buddy.
Is there? What are we looking like?
I need to get the side skirts. That was a birthday present right there.
Okay.
I'm pretty happy with that. It came out pretty fucking fuego. Pretty fucking fuego. You know, for a rep lip, fits pretty fucking optimal. I ain't gonna lie.
So that's a Mugen rep.
Yeah, moving rep. Obviously, I mean, from what I can tell, the only fucking difference is there's not a stamp section right here with the Mugen logo in the middle.
There's also not the groove for the emblem either.
Right. Other than that, it looks fucking exactly the same as Mugen. So I don't know. To each their own. I didn't buy it, so flame me for not having real parts. Oh well.
I mean, if you buy it,
Oh well.
if you were to buy it, so what?
I still would have bought the rep anyways. I mean, it's the same shit.
To be honest,
There's
paying $1,800 for a lip, not even a full lip.
I'm so straight on that. I could put that money for something else like wheels.
So you said
Wheels and tires.
side skirts coming now,
Yeah, I'll eventually get them, the side skirt ones.
possibly.
Probably the next few weeks. We'll see how it goes. Because it's not that expensive. And then I'll just slap that on. I think I'm going to get the Mugen style rear spats as well. Yeah,
That's the side thing, right?
That's the, no, I'm talking like the actual,
Oh, gotcha.
yeah.
Like the whole Wolverine
the
looking.
whole Wolverine looking thing. I'm like throwing the idea of it. I'm like, Because I don't know if I would paint match or leave it black.
Paint match is a look too.
That's why I'm like,
Both is a look.
oh man.
Interior's looking the same, right?
Yeah, I mean, my seats are a little rough right now, but
Dude, I tell you they're better than mine.
I've been kind of sanding them up because I'm fucking getting this done fucking dirty as hell.
So we still got.
Fucking change the cleanliness is the engine bay though.
Oh, absolutely.
Best change. Don't mind the cooling.
Haha.
What's your name? It's fucking leaking, bro.
Wow. Damn. Look at that Biber, bro.
Yeah, buddy.
Man.
Yeah, buddy. Man, I need to get that tequila fucking full carbon fucking intake too.
So, what's new? I know last time.
The carbon.
Right, the
carbon's
so the
all
carbon's new. But I don't think you updated them about the spoon miscellaneous things you got, right?
I did.
Did you?
I did, yeah.
Did you like tell that it was there?
I think I did. I don't know.
But he actually
I think
show
the
it?
biggest change was this, and I didn't never showed yet.
The carbon.
The carbon. That's just like, man, that's just popping, bro.
It is.
Popping. I like to make it fucking pop. Oh, bro. Man, oh man. No, I'm straight though. I'm straight. Now the training's good. I'm chilling. I'm gonna just drive this car for a little while and get my wheel figured out with Honda, and then start just doing some small things here and there.
So just to explain that quickie before someone else has to go through that, how annoying was the process with the training and the warranty?
Man, I'll tell you what, that was quite the process. There's actually somebody that literally had the same problem as me with second gear. They went through the whole process of Honda. That Honda took their whole transmission apart, and this dude was out of car for months on end. And they sent off a bunch of stuff to like actual Honda, and it was just a back and forth thing. They gave him a rental car finally at one point. And this dude documented this on one of the Honda forums. It was like a whole 6-7 month process. They ended up finally getting the approval to rebuild this second gear. They rebuilt second gear. He drove the car for maybe 500 miles and started popping out of second gear again. So then literally he brought it back to them. And basically, long story short, after 7 or 8 months, they ended up giving him a whole new fucking car. He got to choose one of the Type R's up front, and they just gave him a brand new Type R, and they just kept his because they just messed everything up. So my process didn't take as long as his, and they just ended up putting a new transmission in it, but it was still a lot of back and forth. And if I hadn't reached out to corporate Honda, then I don't think this would have been taken care of the way it was. And also, at the same time, Memphis is pretty tweaked, so that Honda over there did some shady shit, so it kind of helped me in my favor a little bit. So they didn't keep communication up with corporate Honda, so that really fucked everything up. So they had to pretty much put a transmission in this car at this point.
We're not gonna flame them anywhere, right?
Flame who?
The Honda. We're gonna keep it for us for now.
Yeah.
Unless they don't take care of the wheel situation.
Right.
But
we'll see.
Hopefully they do.
I mean, so far, as far as the repair goes, I think they did a great job. The dude that messed with my car, as far as the repair process went, seems to be pretty straightforward. I don't know if it's the same dude that drove the car in, or wherever the accident happened, or if it was someone that parked down in the parking lot that did what they did. I don't know. But as far as everything visually underneath here, it looks like everything went together phenomenally. I mean, it doesn't look like someone even tore it apart, really.
No?
It looks straight, so.
What do you think, Chad? What's your rating? If it was not his car and you didn't know him.
Nah, actually,
you just
like a 9.5.
You pull up to a car, man, you see this just standing right there.
9.5.
9.5? Is there a room of improvement or solid?
I mean, this is pretty clapped, but
whoa,
man, that's about
The girl's
it.
pretty rough. I'm not gonna lie, the girl is pretty rough.
Dude, have you seen mine? Mine has a hole here.
No, I'm playing. It's not really a factor. No, it's just very well done. I'm trying to see you like that, my boy.
Ooh.
Come on now.
No budget, bro. Budget's not there. No money, no good.
No good.
Well, that was the update for now. Tranny done. Carbon Bieber on. Mugen red lip.
Re-lacquer the damn calipers, dude. My shit's peeling like a bitch.
Mine's not peeling, but I do have to say, they're like staying. They're like picking every single debris they can.
And it's not coming off?
Well, I haven't tried to clean it. I think I tried. I kind of like rubbed the rag on it, and it didn't come off anyway.
Oh, then I think your lacquer's already gone, then.
Damn.
Why are you drilling carbon?
No, I didn't do that. Those are already drills. It's meant for... There was supposed
Yeah.
to be little clips inside here that clips that in. But...
Hey, I guess something you didn't follow up with, the brakes. The Brembo front and rear disc. How do they feel?
I mean, I can't remember how it felt stock. I mean, this is essentially
Stock.
the stock setup.
Well, you have
Yeah.
stock plus in the back. Because I don't think it has Brembo brakes. At least not drilled and
It
slotted.
doesn't have drilled and slotted in the rear. As far as that all goes, I mean, it seems pretty good. I mean, for the price and everything, it wasn't bad.
Because, I mean, I'm sure you take it over speed limit a few times. Not going to say how much
yeah.
over, but
I've fucking stomped on this thing on the brakes.
Type R over, you know.
It's pretty good. Now, I definitely want to upgrade it to a bigger setup because I want to actually have not a baby one single piston caliper in the back.
Right.
I want to have, the same thing, a 4-piston in the rear and then, 4-piston or 6-piston in the front.
You think you might need to go to 19s with a 6-piston, most likely. Because you're pretty tight with an 18.
Maybe, yeah. Maybe.
Unless you do like some ultimate research.
Yeah, it'd be some ultimate research. Fuck, even just getting wheels for this car is ultimate research, dude. You gotta really fucking toss the dice. Is it gonna fit?
I mean, we sure did with my wheels, and they didn't fit.
Shit, man. That's crazy. No wonder everyone was so skeptical about wheels and why everyone has the same damn wheels.
Yeah.
It's because there's just so much.
All the
weight.
T37s,
Yeah.
8.5 by 38.
Yep, 8.5, 9.5 plus 38s plus 35s or whatever.
I mean, shit, I fell on that. I have 9.5 35s.
Respect. It is the
I feel like I'm on the edge of what people do.
Yeah.
You 10.5 35s? That's already
That's aggressive for sure.
that's out of what people do. But I mean, you pull it out. Pull it out, pull it off.
Pull it off.
Pull it off.
No,
That was so sus, bro.
I love the way it's fitted. I think if
I did too.
it looks fucking
I did too. The amount of camber you have to is pretty sweet. Sweet. Man, my English is just fucking up now.
I don't know if I did talk about that because I have the camera arms in the back too.
The
It's just
True Heart.
fucking, yeah, it's super dialed in.
Yeah, I think you
My
mentioned
camera's literally matching. I
You-
swear.
you talked about the True Heart camber arm, and then you also talked about the Megan Racing ball joint thingy. I mean, wrapping up on this one.
Yeah, buddy.